Long gone are the days when you would have to rub polish and wax into your vehicle's exterior by hand in order to get a superior shine on the car's paint job. Nowadays, car buffers and polishers are available at extremely reasonable prices and will do all the hard work for you with much less needed effort and in just a fraction of the time. There are a number of different goods available, each with unique features, advantages, and budgets from which to choose the motorcycle helmet. I conducted a lot of research, read a large portion of reviews, and put up a list of the best motorcycle helmet cam from reliable brands to assist you in making an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I suggested that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video right now without any hesitation. Number 1. Best Professional Car Buffer and Polisher Dual Car Buffer. For a professional grade polish or buff job on any vehicle, the Dual DWP 849X Buffer Polisher might be the product for you. The tool has a 12-amp motor that delivers a lot of power to get that sparkling polished finish, and comes with a rubber gear case cover that is non-marring. The 7 inches divided by 9 inches dual buffer polisher has a long-lasting, ball-bearing motor and has great performance even after performing the toughest jobs due to its wool ingestion shields and steel gears. Also included in the kit is a hook and loop backing pad bail. This sturdy tool weighs in at just 6.7 pounds, yet some reviewers noted that using this product can be a bit of a workout. But one customer suggested to let the weight of the polisher do the work to avoid user fatigue and get the best out of this highly rated car buffer. Number 2. Best Random Orbital Car Buffer Black Plus Decker Random Orbital Buffer. By running on 4,400 orbits per minute, the WP900 Black Plus Decker 6 inches Random Orbit Waxer removes swirl marks with minimal effort, and does so very quickly while buffing and polishing your paint job, according to one of the many happy buyers. As Amazon's choice for car buffer and our pick for the best random orbital polisher buffer. This product has a 1250-watt motor and is highly rated for its two-handle grip and its light 5.3-pound body that allows more control without users growing tired. It also has a 10-foot cord so you don't have to stop and replug while in the middle of a polishing and buffing job. Some buyers, however, found the best polishing results when they used aftermarket pads with this random orbital buffer instead of the ones that come with the actual product. Before we delve into our list of the top contenders for the best buffer on the market, we will briefly look at how to use a car buffer, the types of car buffers available, and key features to look for once you've decided to buy one. Number 3. Best Car Buffer Kit SPTA Buffer Kit. For a quality car buffer kit that comes with everything you need at a good price, look to the SPTA Rotary Buffer Kit. The kit includes a powerful 125mm and 150mm dual-action polisher, and many additional products and accessories that make this buy excellent value for money. Polishing pads, wool pads, backing plates, and sandpaper, all of which range in size and or function to fit any kind of detailing project, and a bag to keep them all organized. This 780-watt motor, all ball-bearing construction rotary buffer checks the box for both quality and quantity. But since it is not a double-action buffer, care should be taken with the speed and pressure applied, particularly when buffing a clear coat, to avoid damage. A professional detailer who tried this kit wrote it as a great deal and added that the extras that come with it are so useful. Whether you want to remove deep scratches from your vehicle, or just brighten and shine up your car's paint, we've found some of the best buffers and polishers on the market for you to get your hands on, and say goodbye to that expensive visit to the professional detailers. Before we delve into our list of the top contenders for the best buffer on the market, we will briefly look at how to use a car buffer, the types of car buffers available, and key features to look for once you've decided to buy one. Number 4. Best Variable Speed Polishers ENEACRO Variable Speeds Polisher. With a 6-level speed dial, the ENEACRO Variable Speed Polisher and Car Buffer allows users to get a professional finish on a variety of different surfaces. The buffering speed on these rotary buffers can be set from 15.0 to 35.0 RPM, and the self-lock allows users to maintain a speed that is comfortable. It comes with 3 replaceable polish pads, the orange polish pad to remove shallow scratches, the yellow polish pad for slightly larger, but still small, scratches, and the black pad for waxing and removing excess product. With its light 5.5-pound weight, and 2 detachable handles that make it even more comfortable and easy to use, it's clear that this product was designed to take a load off, and one happy customer wrote that the variable speeds are a must and help the job get done with less effort. It also comes with replaceable polisher pads for many different applications. Some pads are designed to remove deep scratches and imperfections without leaving swirl marks, and others are made to polish paint and apply wax, sealants, and glazes for protection and shine. If the machine has variable or adjustable speed, start off slowly before increasing to make sure that you're not going through the car's paint. Number 5. Best Car Detailing Buffer Chemical Guys TORQX Car Detailing Kit. For both the first-timers and the buffing masters, the Chemical Guys Car Detailing Kit features everything needed for that perfect detailing paint job when polishing your car for both single-stage and clear coat paint finishes. It includes a cleaner and conditioner, microfiber cloths, and you'll always have the perfect pad on hand for your needs as there are 5 in the kit. The TORQX Dual Action Random Orbital Polisher is the star of this kit, and leaves each buffing project with a great finish. The key to its power shine lies in its orbital buffer movement that prevents users from burning through the paint or creating unsightly swirls. Many reviewers were able to bring their paint back to life with this random orbit waxer buffer, with one explaining, "It cuts down the time it takes to detail the car and makes it effortless," and another added that it is flawless, with no swirls or holograms effects. Although some professionals or seasoned buffer users might opt to use these buffers on car windows to remove scratches, polishing car windows and glass, in general, is a whole other ballgame, requiring special pads, and is best probably left to a professional. That's all I have to say. I frequently make video reviews. Please follow my channel. Please refer to my description if you need more information or want to know how much the items cost. If you are having issues of any kind, please comment below. Keep up with our most recent items because they will simplify your life. We appreciate you watching this video.